Another quick one here for you guys. More corded buttonholes. I know I said I wasn't going to put all these up, but I lied. And it keeps me in the algorithm, so that was a mistake. I had to go back and clean that up. I think as non-voluminous as that cord was, it was still too much for that sewing machine. I was wondering if there was any way I could get my needle to go higher, because I have some even thicker cord that I want to use. Also, it could just be my inexperience using that corded feature. But yeah, I had to do that. That's why it took me 3 hours to do those 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those 9 buttonholes. I would appreciate a like, a share, a comment, and a follow. I have some more Taylor's chalk, fresh out the package. I've had it for a number of years. It says always put the markings on the back of the product. If you notice here, or on the back of the garment, on the back of the fabric. And if you've noticed here, I did not do that. So again, just getting back into the swing of things. But it kept fading anyway, so blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I was supposed to be putting those landmarks on the back, not on the front. And it was a time. I have about 5 or 6 more of these, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, share, repost. Take care, my fringe fashionistas.